What's up everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an ASCII text. It's basically like word art. Here it is right here. So if you guys don't know, if you make a normal pinger with the batch code and the batch file, you cannot actually run this kind of text. It doesn't let you. It'll just show up with a bunch of numbers because Windows doesn't know how to process this kind of text. You can only actually use stuff in batch files that's on your keyboard like that. So first off, you're going to need something called Sublime Text. It's right here. And before you do that, go to this website right here, linked down below. You can type anything in here and it'll pop up. So why did I do that? Because now I got to go all the way back down. But for the ASCII, I am going to choose the text I just had like I was showing. All you're going to do is click select and copy. Make sure it's copied. And then open up Sublime, paste it in here. And I will get back to you guys right when I have that done. Alright, so now that you guys have that all done, all you have to do is just straighten it out like you want. You can add any text you want. You don't have to write beans, by the way. That's just what I'm doing. So right after you're done with that, you're going to go up to File right here. You're going to do Save As. Now I'm just going to do beans for the video. And save the Python file. Now you can close this out. I'm just going to minimize it just in case. Minimize this. And now you're going to open up a notepad. Now, for the sake of you guys and not having to type out everything, all the code and stuff, it'll be linked down below in a paste bin. And if there's anything wrong with this file or this website, just join my Discord, hit me up. And I know Discord's down right now, just try it later, okay? It'll probably be up soon anyways. So just copy everything you see here, minimize this. Now go into a paste or a notepad, open it up like that. And you don't have to change any of this. You can make it your own title if you want. I don't really mind. And we made the title of the Python file beans. Here, oops. So put beans. And you may notice that this looks way different than a normal pinger because it is. It's opening up. You're commanding it to open up a Python file, so that's why. Now click Save As, and go test. Okay, beans .bat. Make sure you put .bat, otherwise it won't work. Now do all files. Now click save. You can exit that out. Now open up your file right there. Just drag it to your desktop right there. Make sure it's open. And when you open it, you guys are going to see that it says the file cannot find the file specified. It'll still work and stuff, but it won't, like, it's not good. So it doesn't have your stuff that you made. So now look at beans, open file location. And whenever you're running these Python files, the only thing that's annoying is the fact that they need to both be in the same area or the same folder. So now once I open it, it should say beans. And I know this is not in the center. You can always just go and fix that if you want. But that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, it's done. So why isn't it popping up? There you go. Yeah, you just have to type a number. But yeah, so when you ping someone, it'll just do that. Now that's like really fast, but you know, I mean, you don't have to make it so it's all like this. You guys can go through and fix it. But yeah, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. That's what it'll look like. I really like this kind of text and it's really fun to use. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment if you guys are having any trouble. And all the downloads will be in the description, so go check them out. Go join my Discord if you guys want. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.